Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. So today I will show you how to crawl password protected websites using Crawlomatic. So I password protected one of my websites, so if we access it, we will see that it requires a username and password. So if we go here, we can see that it is password protected. Okay, now let's try and import this website using Crawlomatic. We will see that it will not work because the website is password protected. However, we can go to advanced settings for importing here and search for password, and we will see that HTTP user and password can be specified in the plugin settings. So let me remind myself what was the password. Okay, so the user is password and the password is password PPP. Save settings. First of all, let's check here. So password and password PPP. Yep, it works. Okay, now let's go ahead and run importing here again. And here also works because the password is accepted by the website. Now let's delete this field, save settings. Let's delete the post that was generated and let's run importing, and it should fail again. Yes. Okay, so this is how you use the HTTPS password feature with the Crawlomatic plugin. And this is how you can crawl websites that are password protected using HTTP passwords. I hope this video will help you using the Crawlomatic plugin, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more similar content and similar tutorials, news about plugins, and until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.